Now, what we're going to do here, guys, is this. We have to figure out, this is a simultaneous equation. However, instead of 2 letters, there's 3 letters, okay? So I'll start off with the question 21. So 21, if I'm looking at 21, it means I need to get rid of this information here. So we don't get confused at what we're looking at. Okay. It's like a very bad paint job. There we go. Now, you see the way one of the equations only has 2 letters in it? Yeah? So what I do is I label them A, B and C, the 3 equations. I then look up and I choose a letter to get rid of. Now, see the way the third equation already has the Z gone? Yeah? That would mean that in the first 2 equations, I should actively decide to get rid of the Z. So I'm going to write down 2x plus y minus z equals minus 3. X plus 3y plus 2z equals 1. Look at the z's. It's like this channel here. It's like you're defending a channel in rugby or something like that. What will get rid of that other z? If that one was multiplied by 2, if the top one was multiplied by 2, it'd be minus 2z plus 2z, and they cancel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the top equation only by 2. So I'm going to get 4x plus 2y minus 2z equals minus 6. The bottom equation stayed the same. Now what happens now? Huh? 5x plus 5y equals minus 5. Is there any number that you can divide both sides by? 5. X plus y equals minus 1. You didn't have to divide by 5, by the way. You can still get out the answer, but I just thought it was easy. Now, this equation here can then combine with what equation? Then combine with that equation there to get us 3x minus y equals 9. Now we have a regular quadratic equation. Add downwards. 4x, the y's cancel. 4x equals 8. So what's the x value? 2. The x value is 2. Go back to your equation over here. Remember we said x plus y equals minus 1. What can we replace x with? 2 plus y equals minus 1. What does that make y? Oh, there we go. Y equals minus 3. We found out what x is. We found out what y is. Now what we have to... question, yes? What we do next is I need to find out the z value. So all this information here is now pretty useless, bar 2 pieces of information. They're the only 2 pieces of information I need. And what I do next is this. I now get I pick an equation. 2x plus y minus z equals minus 3. What can I replace x with? 2 times 2. What can I replace y with? And then minus z equals minus 3. 2 times 2 minus 3 is 1. 1 minus z equals minus 3. Bring the 1 over the other side. Minus z equals 4. Okay. Simple. Okay, last one. The second one. Okay, yeah. Just move this down. That's probably the best way to do it. Okay, guys. So, next one here. Question 24. First of all, what do I not like? I said it earlier. Hate fractions. 3x over 3, 0 over 3, 3. Everybody happy with that? The 3's cancel. What's my formula? 3x plus y plus z equals 0. Yes. No, because the y already had a 3 underneath it. So 3 on the bottom, 3 on top. Already has a 3, already has a 3. Hasn't got a 3, hasn't got a 3. That makes sense? Now, second equation remains the same. Third equation, however, I'm going to multiply everything by 2. 2x over 2. I change 4.5. Write that in my calculator. 4.5 is 9 over 2. Everything has a 2 now, doesn't it? Cancel, 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 and cancel, and we get 2x minus 3y minus z equals 9. Now, I'm really lazy with this, okay? What I immediately start looking for is I look for plus y or minus y. I look for plus z or minus z. And what I'm looking at, and this makes my job a lot quicker than other people doing this, is this. I look at this and I go, look at the three of them. They cancel each other so quickly. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab equation A and I'm going to add it to equation B. Everybody got it? Oh, sorry, A added to C. So, does everybody understand that I'm adding A to C? So, what's A? 3x plus 2x? Plus y minus 3y? Plus z minus z? 0 plus 9? 9. This equation comes from A combined with C. I'm now going to combine B and C together. I'm going to combine B and C together. X plus 2x minus y minus 3y plus z minus z. 0 plus 9. Do you see what I did there? I got rid of all the z's. Now I have a regular simultaneous equation. Need to get rid of the y's, I'd say. Multiply the top one by, not 2, minus 2. 10x plus 4y minus 18. 3x minus 4y equals 9. Minus 7x equals minus 9. That is interesting. One second. Where? Here? No, 0 times 3 is still 0. Yeah. Sorry guys, there's a number 2 here for the middle equation, okay? So for b plus c, this means that when we did b plus c, which is the bottom equation was wrong. So what we're going to do is this, b plus c, go again, it's 3x minus 4y, z minus z equals 11. Do the same trick, minus 10x minus 4y equals minus 18. Sorry?